how to share a folder or drive in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hello and welcome back everybody. Here's how you will be able to do it so you can follow this step-by-step tutorial for that. So we can open up File Explorer for that and we can right click on the folder that we want to share. For example, let's say this is the folder. After that, you can go over and go to their properties. Once we are in the properties section, we can go to the sharing tab and look out for the option called share and click on it. And we just need to go over and choose the people. You can either select everyone, etc., or create up a new user according to you and click on the option called add and add them. You can just go over and do so and set permissions as well. Click on add and set as permission level such as owner, read, write, remove, etc., and go ahead and choose up a specific user. After that is done, we can just go and click on share, and that's done now, and the folder is now shared. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, we can go over and look out for advanced sharing. So we can right click on the folder, go to their properties. Within there, again, head over to sharing tab, look out for advanced sharing, and check this option called share this folder. After that, you can click on permissions if you want to set up the permissions differently. After that, choose full control, change, read, etc., and go ahead and apply the changes. Once it is done, you can just go over and apply the changes and share it, and that's it. That is also the another method. And if you want to access a shared folder on another PC, what you need to do is you need to type in Windows plus R and just go over and type in / computer name. So what's your computer name? For example, mine is Acer, so you can just go over and type in or the specific IP address of that folder. After that, press enter and you will be seeing all of the shared folders there. And that's it. And that is it. If you want to share the whole drive, what you can do is you can right click on the drive that you have, select the option for properties for that one as well, and look out for the sharing option here. And within there also, you can look out for the advanced sharing and share it by following the same permission. Be careful while you are sharing the whole drive. And that's it. Usually these are the methods you can follow up if you want to go ahead and share folder or drive in your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.